Good morning, children. I am very happy to meet you after a long gap. I hope you all have been learning English happily. We have completed 2 units so far. Today, I am going to send a video related to partial speech, modal auxiliaries, and tenses. So, you are asked to go through the video carefully and find the activity given today. Then we will verify all the answers in the following week. Children, for communicative exercises concerned, you have been learning letter writing and report writing. Letter writing is common from the lower classes itself, you have been learning. But for report writing, what is a report? Report writing concern, it must be followed certain rules. So it must be learned without fail. What is a report? A report is a short document which is written for a particular purpose to the people or audience. It has many rules. Now I am going to give all the rules in detail. The first rule is drawing a box. Box in the sense an outline. So please note it. The activity, that is report writing, must be begin by drawing an outline. Then below the top of the box, write the title of the report. The title of the report must be written with capital letters, very important. The next one, write the reporter's name following with the title. Who is the reporter? The person who writes a report. After writing these two things, start the report as a paragraph in the very next line. The very important rule is tense. The report must be written with simple past tense. If you change the tense, it won't be effective. The report must have some details. I am going to give you all those things one by one now. Listen carefully. When, where, why, who are the chief guests, and how the program was conducted. Everything must be given one by one clearly. By following the given rules, you can prepare a report perfectly without any mistakes. For further detail, go through the example given in your English book in page number 10 and 11. I hope you all have understood the topic which I taught today. Thank you.